Hello little friends. Today we are going to learn about the days of the week. Are you ready? Let's start with Monday. Monday, it is the start of the week, like a fresh new beginning. Hey there, I am Monday. Let's have fun today. Next is Tuesday. Tuesday, it is a day to learn and play with our toys. Yippee! Let's play together. Then comes Wednesday. It is a day to smile and feel happy. Hello friends, let's be happy. Now let's welcome Thursday. It's day to be kind and helpful. Hey friends, let's help each other. And here's Friday. It is a day to celebrate and have fun. Yes, let's go to jungle adventure and entertainment. Yes, Friday, it's adventure day. Now don't forget Saturday. It is a day to rest and play with family. Hi everyone, let's relax together. Lastly, we have Sunday. It's a cozy day to play together, read stories, and enjoy the fun. So, kids, there are 7 days in the week. 5 of those days are called weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The last 2 days are called weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Okay kids, thanks for joining us today. Sweeties, see you next time.